Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and these are my views in fewer than two. Apple, Google, Bluetooth trackers, they're working together. I don't know if they're going to necessarily be interoperable themselves, the devices themselves, but Apple and Google have come together to effectively make it easier for their mutual platforms to be able to detect when you are being tracked with a Bluetooth device. So I think this is actually really good news, not necessarily for the industry, but for individuals who may be prone to being tracked. If you don't realize you're being tracked. Now, Apple does have an app that you can run on Android, but it's very manual. Like, you have to go in and say, am I being tracked? Like, it's pointless. Hopefully, what we're going to see coming down the pike at some indefinite point in the future is better app support. So you just open your phone. Oh, wait, hang on. There's a tag over there. There's a this over there. I'm being tracked here. What's going on there? So making users aware when they are around something that may be lost, may be stolen, or themselves may be getting tracked. I really wonder, at the end of the day, whether or not bad actors are going to find a way to circumvent this. Because, of course, once those hurdles are put into place, like the people who are using them today surreptitiously may find another way of doing it that doesn't involve Apple or Google. I don't know how that's going to happen. I'm not privy to what's going to happen in the future, but inevitably it's seen that when these kind of hurdles are introduced, inevitably people find a workaround if they want to find a workaround. So I don't know if this is going to help any, like in terms of people getting tracked without their knowledge, but it may go a long way having Apple and Google interoperability. And my other question is, will this actually drive down prices? Because then you don't have to worry about living in Apple's ecosystem or Google's ecosystem. You can choose anything and have your items tracked anywhere, so long as you know they are being tracked.